Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Litematica. If you are new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. For this mod, we're going to use a Fabric mod loader. And we're gonna use TL Launcher for this one. If you're not familiar with Fabric, it's basically the same with Forge mod loader. Okay, so first, launch your T launcher, and in version, select the Fabric 1.20.1 version. Install that if you haven't already. After installing the Fabric 1.20.1 version, let's go over and download the mod. Go to forge.com Minecraft and search for Litematica. Then just download the file. Now we need one more mod for Litematica to work, and that is Malilive mod. Download it as well. Okay, so after downloading those two mods, launch your T launcher again, and at the bottom right beside the settings, click it to open the .minecraft folder. Now open the mods folder and paste the two mods that we downloaded. And after that, launch your Fabric 1.20.1 version. Okay, so here in my world, creative world. Okay, so I'm just here to check if the mods are really working well. I'm holding a stick, and while holding Control key, and also scrolling down and scrolling up, as you can see, it works perfectly. Okay, so let's try pressing M. Yep, it's working perfectly. Alright, you've successfully installed Litematica. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.